Teaching customers how to manage basic heating, ventilation, and air conditioning maintenance reduces service calls and increases system lifespan. Start by showing the filter location and explaining precise change frequency based on filter type and household conditions rather than vague rules. Demonstrate thermostat controls and scheduling, including how to set sensible setbacks and avoid rapid cycles that strain compressors. Explain how to inspect and gently clean evaporator and condenser coils using a soft brush and low-pressure water rinse, and clarify when coils need professional chemical cleaning. Describe how to check and clear the outdoor unit area, removing vegetation and debris to preserve airflow and prevent motor overheating. Teach common warning signs to watch for, such as unusual noises, steady water leaks, rapid pressure changes, and persistent temperature imbalances so homeowners can report useful details to a technician. Offer a simple monthly checklist combining these steps so homeowners can form a routine without tools beyond gloves and a flashlight. A common mistake is ignoring the filter until efficiency drops, which causes strain and higher energy bills. Fix this by showing the exact filter size, type, and marking a calendar reminder for replacement. Another issue is improper thermostat programming that creates short cycling and wear. Solve it by guiding them through a proven schedule and explaining recovery modes so they understand what the system is doing. People also overlook restricted airflow from blocked return vents and dirty coils, which causes freeze-ups and compressor damage. The remedy is a quick visual inspection, clearing vents, and scheduling a coil check if airflow remains weak. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors who are looking for jobs and to help homeowners compare options and share experiences. Our site also hosts a community discussion area where we and other members exchange tips, ask questions, and learn from real homeowner maintenance stories.